Alright, so we're now going to do number 23. Number 23 says graph. I'm going to show you all how to graph this by hand. So we have I'm going to do 23a, negative x minus 2, absolute value of that, minus 4. Okay, so for this guy, let me write all the transformations first. This negative right here, guys, means it's going to flip over the x-axis. That's a vertical flip. This minus 2, it's inside the horizontal land. That means that it's going to go right 2. Remember, it's opposite. And then out here, this negative 4 means it's going to go down 4. The first thing that I want to do, guys, is I want to figure out what is my vertex. Now, when determining your vertex, you only look at the shifts, the horizontal shift and the vertical shift. You do not care about expansion or compressions. Why? So I always tell my kids, if I have a rubber band, right, and this is my vertex right here, this finger right here is my vertex. If I stretch the graph vertically or compress it vertically, do you see how my finger does not move? The vertex is going to stay the same. Same thing if I do it horizontally. If I stretch it horizontally, right, or if I compress it horizontally this way, my vertex will not move. It's only when you actually shift it up or down that it's going to change. So right here, the only thing, also if you flip it upside down, right, so if I flip over the x-axis, right, and I go this way, bloop, this right here is not going to change my vertex. It's going to stay the exact same spot. So the only thing I really care about is going the right 2 down 4. So if my parent function, right, looks like this. This is what an absolute value parent function looks like. Right, just like that. So if I go right 2 and down 4, this is my new vertex. This would be 2, negative 4. So when I write, right, so that's that. And so that's my new vertex. And then they want me to flip it down. So to figure out the other points, the best thing I would tell my kids is to make a table. And always start with your vertex in the middle. So 2, negative 4. So I always pick 2 points to the right, 2 points to the right of 2, 2 points to the left of 2. So 2, 3, 4, and 2, 1, 0. And I know this right here is my vertex. Well, how do I figure out my y coordinate? You just plug it into your formula. So you have negative 0 minus 2 minus 4. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. We still got that negative chilling. So negative 2 and negative 4 is negative 6. So if I plug in a 1, it's just to be negative 1 minus 2, absolute value, minus 4. 1 minus 2 is negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1. So the negative comes down, this negative right here. So negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. Same thing if I plug in 3. So now I have negative 3 minus 2 minus 4. 3 minus 2 is 1. This absolute value of 1 is just 1. So you have that negative. Negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5. So this will be a negative 5. And then the last thing is 4. So negative 4 minus 2 minus 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. So negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6. So those are my new points. So let me just do a new graph down here. I'm just going to plot all those points. So 2, negative 4 was my vertex. Right, that's my vertex. And then I have 0, negative 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, negative 4, 3, negative 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 4, negative 6. So y'all see, there's my V. And so this actually accounted for everything, right? It flipped over the x-axis, which is what we started with. Let me zoom out a little bit. Right? It flipped over the x-axis, the graph went right 2, and it went down 4. That's it.